Steven with Parts Doctor. I'm going to show you how to level your Samsung dryer. Let's get started. Before leveling, we need to understand how to read a level. When placed on a horizontal surface and the bubble falls between the two guidelines, the object is level. If the bubble touches or goes past a guideline, then the object is unlevel. Understanding which way the object or surface is tilted is very easy to understand. The bubble will always go to the high side of the unlevel surface. If I raise the left side of the level, the bubble goes to the left or the high side. And if I raise the right side, the bubble goes to the right. When leveling your dryer, all you need to remember is whatever way the bubble goes, that is the high side. So you can either lower the leg on the high side or raise the leg on the low side. First, we'll place the level across the top to check level side to side. As you can see, the bubble goes to the left, so the left side is high. Also, our dryer is very unstable. To level, place a block or blocks in front of the dryer, tilt the dryer up, slide the blocks under, and rest in place. Since the left side of the dryer is the high side, we will lower this side by screwing in the leveling leg by turning it clockwise. If the left side was low, we would raise it by screwing out the leg by turning counterclockwise. When finished, remove the blocks by tilting the dryer up and sliding the blocks from under the dryer. With the dryer level side to side, now check front to back. As you can see, our dryer is level front to back. If yours is not, determine which side is the high side and repeat the same leveling process as before with the rear legs. Again, screwing in the leveling leg by turning it clockwise will lower the corner of the dryer. Screwing out the leg by turning it counterclockwise will raise that corner. With the leveling process, make sure to take your time to ensure that your dryer is properly leveled. If you have to adjust each leg more than once, that is completely fine. So that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things, please consider subscribing.